Ever feel like you're playing Tetris with your garden tools? Trying to find a spot for every shovel, rake, and pot, only to end up with a cluttered mess? Trying to squeeze one more tomato plant into your tiny backyard? Or maybe you're dreaming of a lush garden but only have a small balcony to work with. Don't worry folks, we've all been there. The struggle of limited space is real, but it doesn't have to be a deal breaker for your gardening dreams. That's where vertical gardening swoops in to save the day. It's a game changer, allowing you to grow more in less space. Imagine this: lush green walls bursting with fresh herbs, ready to be plucked and added to your favorite dishes. Vibrant flowers cascading from recycled pallets, creating a stunning visual display that also benefits the environment. And juicy strawberries dangling from hanging planters, just waiting to be picked and enjoyed. That's the magic of vertical gardening. It's like turning your garden into a high-rise, maximizing your space and your harvest. You can grow a variety of plants, from vegetables to flowers, all in a compact area. Now some folks might think, Mike, that sounds fancy and complicated. But let me assure you, it's simpler than you might imagine. But trust me, vertical gardening is anything but. With a few basic materials and a bit of creativity, you can set up your own vertical garden in no time. It's about getting creative, using what you have, and making the most of every inch of your outdoor space. Think outside the box and repurpose items you already own. Whether you've got a balcony, a patio, or just a sliver of sunlight hitting your windowsill, there's a vertical gardening solution for you. There's a vertical garden out there with your name on it. Customize it to fit your space and style, and watch your garden thrive. So, ditch the gardening gridlock and get ready to grow up, not out, with the wonders of vertical gardening. Embrace this innovative approach and transform your gardening experience. Now, why go vertical, you ask? Well, for starters, it's a space-saving superhero. Imagine transforming that tiny balcony or cramped patio into a lush, green oasis. Got a tiny patio that can barely fit a lawn chair? No problem. Vertical gardening is your best friend in tight spaces. Vertical gardening lets you transform those unused walls and fences into thriving ecosystems. It's like giving your walls a purpose beyond just holding up the roof. But it's not just about saving space, folks. It's about creating a vibrant, living tapestry that can change the entire feel of your home. Vertical gardens are like the overachievers of the plant world. They maximize every inch of space and turn it into something beautiful and productive. They soak up more sunlight, which means happier, healthier plants. More sunlight means more photosynthesis, and that means more growth and more blooms. Plus, they're easier on your back because you're not hunched over weeding and watering. Imagine gardening without the strain. Sounds like a dream, right? And let's be honest, who doesn't love a garden that's as easy on the eyes as it is on the muscles? Vertical gardens are not just practical, they're a feast for the senses. Alright, ready to get your hands dirty? Let's dive into the essentials you'll need for your vertical gardening journey. Vertical gardening doesn't require a fancy degree in horticulture, but it does need a few basic tools. These tools will be your best friends as you create your lush green wall. Think of it like gathering your trusty sidekicks before embarking on a gardening adventure. Each tool has its own special role to play. First up, you'll need something to build your vertical masterpiece. This could be anything from recycled pallets and wooden crates to repurposed gutters and even old shoe organizers. The possibilities are endless when it comes to creating unique and functional vertical planters. Get creative and don't be afraid to scavenge. Look around your home or local community for items that can be repurposed. Next, you'll need some good quality potting soil. This is the foundation for your vertical garden, so don't skimp on it. Good soil will ensure your plants get the nutrients they need to thrive. Look for a mix that's light, airy, and drains well. This will help prevent waterlogging and keep your plants healthy. And of course, you can't forget the stars of the show, the plants. We'll dive deeper into choosing the right plants later, but for now, just know that the sky's the limit, literally. From herbs and vegetables to flowers and succulents, you can grow a wide variety of plants vertically. Section 4, Building Your Own Garden Tower, a step-by-step guide. Section 5, Vertical Veggies and Blooming Beauties, Choosing the Right Plants.